la 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 la. Woo.
Hello everybody, so today I'm going to teach you how to use formatting codes and color codes in vanilla Minecraft without using external tools, resource packs, things like that. So it's very easy to do it in-game, and it actually uses an exploit using Unicode. So a quick breakdown of what that is. Unicode is basically an encoding of every single character that there is. So every character, I mean like the 8 or the G, the Y, the U, those are all Unicode characters, and they all have a corresponding Unicode code to go with them that each language interprets differently. So the way that this will work is we're actually going to use an exploit using signs. And the way that signs work is they use JSON, and it can interpret the Unicode literally. So I'll show you what that means. So the first thing you need to do is learn how to make a sign that has data on it. So if we go into this command block, we can set block and one above a standing sign 0 replace. Okay, and now when we place that, it just places a normal standard sign. So now when we go into this again, we can go ahead and give it some text. So text 1, and now some of these, and bam, bam, text, colon, and blah, blah, blah. Just throw some random stuff in there. There we go, and now as you can see, it has some text on it. So this is basically all we need to do. You need to have actually text on this for the next part to work. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to add a click event to signs. And I actually went over this previously in another video on how to make signs with click events in 1.9, because in 1.9 the syntax changed a little bit. It didn't really change, it just became strict. So I did actually go over on how to make signs with click events, but I will go over that again here. So all you have to do is go into this and then make a click event, and now when we click, it will run what we define in here. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and set the action. So we will set the action to run command, and now we need to set the value. So now if we set the value, we can set it to, let's just go ahead and do say hi. Okay, so now when we power this again, when we right click this, we say hi. So there you go. Now you have set a click event. So what we actually want to do is we want to go ahead and remove this, and let's do set block at the exact coordinates command underscore block 0 replace, and now we want to give this a command of say hi. Okay, so now when we right click this, it sets block a command block, and inside it says say hi. This is important. So now, as you may know, to use color codes and formatting codes in Minecraft, you need to use the section sign. And that is a very special Unicode character for the fact that it can allow for coloring and formatting, but it's also special because you can't actually copy and paste it or write it in the game itself normally. So you have to use an exploit like this. And this is where the Unicode code comes back into it. So if you remember when I said that each character has its own Unicode code, and the signs click event can interpret that literally. So the section signs Unicode is actually, it's \U 00A7. So this is the Unicode character, or the Unicode code for the section sign. So if we power this, and now we click this, it sets block the command block, and if we look in, as you can see, the section sign is now there. So now if we power this, it just says R, it's just some random thing. I'm not entirely sure why it does that. But so now we can use this to do something really special. So we can actually use color codes and formatting codes. So I'll go ahead and type in something like, say, 5. So this will be the section symbol and then a 5, which is purple. And let's do hello, and I'll make this capital actually. And now let's grab this again and put this here, and let's do my favorite one, which is 9 and world. Okay, so now if we power this, right click, as you can see, this is now colored. It says hello world. And if we power it, the text is hello world. So using this, you can do things like take this and remove this, and let's do summon pig tilde 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 1, and let's give it a custom name of, and let's do Piggles, because why not? So now if we power this and boop, Piggles, there we go. See, blue name, Piggles. So that's how you can do formatting codes and such. As you can see, it took quite a while to actually write out the full sign command, so I thought that this would be a good time to showcase my oldest generator that I ever made, and it was a formatting codes generator. So this basically just allows you to use formatting codes in commands. So as you can see, if we just take this, we can do -summon pig tilde tilde and custom name. Then this is the section symbol. As you can see, you can paste this into the generator, and let's do piggy, click generate, and you can get this. There's a few options, so you can change the command block type, the facing direction, and you can change it from set block to block data. So now if we just grab this and come into here, this gives you the sign. You can place it, and as you can see, click, power, and there we go, piggy. So, yep, just wanted to make this. This is the next episode of Command Quickies. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys find this useful, and goodbye.